Welcome back to the 7x12 camper. I wanted an air conditioner in here, but I didn't want it hanging out in the front, and I certainly didn't want it hanging out the side. It would look ugly. So what I've done, I've got an air vent in the floor, and I got a steel grate down here that varmints can't get through. You know, you could actually stuff an air filter in there or whatever, but it's not really necessary. So then I have my hole cut in the wall, and I've sealed all the edges with epoxy, and I've got my braces sit here on the floor. This is a little bit lower than this, so I have a little downhill slope. And I made a pan here. I'm not through working on it. It says sea pine. Came off the old pump up camper that it used to be. So I had a nice fold up corner here. All I had to do is just caulk it in with some gutter seam, and then I was working with this and the piece broke off. So we're gonna have to go without that. So we set this in here. Remember, got a little overlap here. Goes right in here like that. And I'll put a screw in here that hold that down. But that'll hold all the way to your air conditioner. And what I'll do is take the air conditioner. Oh, I'm grunting and groaning. I'm old. I'm gonna set it right there. Now it has room to draw air from down there up into here. Yeah, you're gonna say, well, how does that work? When you build a box over it that goes against the wall, comes out to here, and has like a piece of trim that goes up against here. Same thing along here, where it has a little bit of breathing space, and you put let's see, a piece in here that fits that. Let's say that was cut to width and it slid right down there. The piece right there. So now it will draw air up through here into here, and then blow the air out the back, out the outside. And I'm gonna make it such that this is a 6,500 BTU AC. I was gonna use a 12,000, but I thought that might be a little overkill. The next thing I gotta do is I'll make a wood trim. It's going to go right down here, or I'll just do it in foam around the edges, so it'll blow all the hot air out, suck all the cold air from under the camper. And this not being in the sun, it probably shouldn't have to work as hard, and I'll cover the inside with foam, so cut down on some noise too. I'll give y'all a little bit more update as I get further along, because I gotta wing it. And I'll wing it until I get it right. Y'all please like and subscribe. Later.